This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Gary Hoffer. Spacious Stone Cape Cod situated on 0.47 acre lot. Privacy fenced rear yard and covered side porch. Open floor plan on main level. Living room has fireplace and separate dining room. Huge kitchen with lots of cabinet space. 2 bedrooms and full bath on main level. Upper level is finished and has lots of storage and closet space. Full basement has family room, storage room, half bath and utility area. Close to schools, shopping, restaurants, parks and all that downtown Hampstead offers. Easy access to RT30 bypass. Agents, please read agent's remarks and documents on this listing for all contract details. Opens to investors 4.